To install the rear storage box kit on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by installing the pre-assembled storage box in the rearmost part of the cargo box. Then move the front of the storage box under the lip of the cargo box and make sure the lock and ride storage box holes are aligned with the mounting holes in the rear of the box. Next, install 2 lock and ride assemblies in the 2 aligned mounting holes. Lock and ride assemblies may need adjustment. Tighten or loosen bottom nut depending on the fitment. Finally, make sure the lock and ride assemblies are fully seated before closing the top lever and securing the storage box. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.